I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing purposefully. Wear an ESD strap and set a small container for screws. Once ready, power off and unplug USB or 3.5 mm cable to avoid shorts. Use a plastic pry tool at the ear cushion seam. Apply steady, even pressure to release the clips. You want to avoid tearing the foam. After the cushion comes off, you'll immediately see 2-3 captive screws and plastic tabs. Remove the screws now, so the outer ear shell can be lifted for the next step. Once the outer shell is lifted, support the inner housing so a spring clip doesn't snap loose. Remove the driver retaining screws and gently lift the speaker assembly. The foam may be adhesive, so peel slowly to prevent damage. You'll find thin wire leads and a small ribbon or connector. Use tweezers to depress the latch and slide connectors free. Take a quick photo of wire routing and connector orientation so reassembly is straightforward. Make sure each screw goes to its labeled pile and move to repair or replacement. You reassemble by reversing steps. Reconnect ribbon and wire leads, checking polarity and that connectors click into place. Once seated, align the driver housing, replace screws hand firm, do not over-torque plastic threads, and press the outer shell until clips engage. Plug in and test audio and microphone before snapping cushions back on. This saves repeated disassembly. If one side is dead, reseat the wire and swap connectors to isolate cable versus driver failure. If noise...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.